Hello, welcome to Exotic Gardening UK, Yorkshire Weekly, and on this week's episode I'm continuing building my paths down the garden. It's been a slow process this, so I've done a couple of videos already on the path progress in my garden, and it's taken a long time because I've got lots of materials that I need to move from the front of the house to the back garden, which is quite a long way with one wheelbarrow. I've been unlucky with the weather on a few days when I wanted to get on with this job, so basically I've still got a lot of work to do, but in this short video I'll just do an update of how far I've got. So we'll walk under the archway once more and we can see the update of the paths. So quite happy with the shape of the paths. I've done extra hardcore in here and I've patted this down, tampered it down. It's a nice curve round here. I still need to probably get another bag of this hardcore just to level it out better before we add the top dressing of decorative gravel. But I'm happy with the shape, as I said. You can see here that the path curves round. Bamboo on one side, got the palms and yuccas on the right hand side. And then this is replicated around the other side. Obviously this is where I've had the old paths there that was filled in with soil. And then if we look in the centre, at my scene of devastation, where the remaining cross of wooden decking I've been smashing up. It's too hard to unscrew, so I've been smashing it up with a sledgehammer, which is more fun as well. And I've got all the sleepers to get up. So if I just go over here, you can see the sleepers here. And under all that devastation, there's loads of concrete I need to get rid of as well. So if I just go back down to new path. And by the way, eventually this decking path will go and it'll be a continuation of a path going round, but for this year this decking remains. Then the other side, similar thing, nice curving path. Still need a bit more hardcore just to level it out a bit better. But I'm happy with the shape of it. I've done it a bit wider at the moment, so the final path will be a bit narrower because I need some space on either side so that I can put my granite edge in and then haunch it up with concrete on the outside as well to support it, and then gravel will go in the centre. So it'll be a little bit narrower, but it should still be 60cm path. And then using all that topsoil I've dug out to fill in the areas where the old decking was. But there's still going to be a lot of space to fill out. So I've got loads of pea shingle to put in here, lots of shingle. I'll probably put some more topsoil in as well. And you know, plants are growing. I've not had much time to look at the plants really because I've been doing all the work here, but if we look down here we can see the agapanthus coming back nicely, which is good to see. Plenty of weeding to be done as well. More agapanthus over there. Sempervimon's looking good as well. And if we look across here we can see the yuccas and the Discilarions, and they will have space to stretch out, so they'll be able to come over this path here. This path won't be here, it'll be just more space to grow into. And effectively what I'm doing is creating one big island bed. So if I just reverse back this way, all this centre area with a big bay here, which will be able to spread its wings, won't have to clip its leaves, be able to go up and around. This will be a huge big bed in the middle here. Mainly arid planting, I'll keep it quite open, but I'll have some summer colour. So I'll probably put some Californian poppies and things like that in the centre just to give it some colour. As you can see, we're at the start of May, or very close to the start of May. There's a heck of a lot of work to do. So I'll be busy over the next couple of months getting all this finished. Join me with my updates on creating the paths in this part of the garden. Thank you for watching this edition of Exotic Gardening UK. Join me next time where hopefully I'll be doing a lot more in the garden.